Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is one that's causing a stir in the accounting world. Is QuickBooks Desktop on its last legs? We've all heard the whispers, 2024 being the end date, a big shift to online options. But is there any truth to it? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of QuickBooks Desktop and its future. For years, QuickBooks Desktop has been the go-to software for countless small businesses. Its user-friendliness and robust features have made it a mainstay in bookkeeping. But times change, technology evolves, and the way we manage finances is no exception. Cloud-based solutions are on the rise, offering anytime, anywhere access and real-time collaboration. So, it's natural to wonder if this shift is leaving QuickBooks Desktop behind. Let's get down to brass tacks. Here's the official word from Intuit, the makers of QuickBooks. They are indeed moving away from certain desktop versions. Here's the catch. It's not a complete shutdown. There are some key distinctions to understand. Firstly, the discontinuation applies specifically to the 2021 versions of QuickBooks Desktop, excluding the Enterprise Edition. That means if you're using versions like Pro, Premier, or Mac from 2021, you'll be affected. However, there's a grace period. You can continue using them until May 31st, 2024. But here's the crucial part. After that date, you lose access to crucial services. What kind of services? We're talking technical support, which can be a lifesaver when you hit a snag. You'll also miss out on automatic updates, including critical security patches. In today's digital landscape, that's a major concern. Additionally, online features like bank feeds and integrations with payroll and payment services might become unavailable. Now, some might argue, why upgrade if my 2021 version works just fine? That's a valid point. But consider this, technology constantly improves. New features and functionalities emerge, making your work life easier. Security threats are ever evolving, and staying updated with the latest patches is paramount. Plus, without access to online features, your workflow might become cumbersome compared to the cloud-based options. Intuit isn't completely abandoning the desktop experience, though. QuickBooks Desktop 2024 and its associated payroll and payment services are still being offered. However, even for these versions, new subscriptions will stop after July 31st, 2024. Existing users can continue using and renewing, but the writing seems to be on the wall. The future is online. So what does this all mean for you, the QuickBooks Desktop user? Here's your action plan. Identify your version. Check which version of QuickBooks Desktop you're using. If it's 2021 and not Enterprise, you have a decision to make. Evaluate your needs. Do you value the flexibility of a desktop application? Or are you open to exploring the benefits of cloud-based solutions? Consider factors like accessibility, collaboration needs, and your comfort level with new technology. Explore alternatives. If you're leaning towards the cloud, research options like QuickBooks Online or other cloud accounting software. Many offer free trials or demos, allowing you to test the waters. Talk to your accountant. They can provide valuable insights based on your specific business needs and financial setup. Ultimately, the decision to stay with QuickBooks Desktop or move to the cloud is yours. But with the phase out of older versions and the focus shifting online, it's wise to be prepared for the future. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the changes with QuickBooks Desktop, you can make an informed choice for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those books balanced.